This is a funny intersection of boats. They come down this canal right here. And then they come into this canal. It doesn't look familiar to me, does it? And then you go here. I just don't think we went that.
I think we went this way.
Yeah. But down there is something else we didn't see.
I think this is the first.
See, this is the place where there's a lot of head-on collision.
Okay, maybe we can ask someone to take a photo of us.
See, look. They'll crash.
Oh, there's this man. Let's have someone take a photo of us.
I wonder what's down there.
Wait, be ready.
The guy's trying to go down the wrong way. He's totally lost. This is a funny boating area, intersection. Because people don't know how to drive boats.
You don't know how to drive a boat?
I do so.
Yeah, but you made us crash like 10 times.
Where's those baby ducks go?
Oh, we crashed under the hardest.
Yeah.
Where are those baby
Swaying
ducks?
around the boat trying to touch it up.
Yeah, because you said even if we tilt.
Yeah, but then I said, never mind what I said.
No. Stop being so bad.
Do you see where those baby ducks went? Look at the time on your watch.
It's almost 4.
Yep, 4 p.m. exactly.
Hey, we have to go.
Go where?
Look, there's a duck.